Hi guys, my name is Dean Ginto from denonlinepitch.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this pop-up sign-up form using GetResponse. Now you're going to be needing all these three things before we get started. So if you don't have one, I'm going to be leaving a link down below for the GetResponse. And we're gonna need to have a hosting site. So right now I'm using SiteGround. I love SiteGround is because if I have any questions about my website, all I do is go onto the chat option and I just type in my question and they'll be able to answer any of your questions that you have for SiteGround. I'm also gonna be leaving a link down below for SiteGround, and you're gonna need a theme. So well, I'm not saying you should get one right away, but I'm using Elegant Themes, or they call it Divi Themes because before it was called Divi. Right now it's been acquired by Elegant Themes, so they're both the same company, and so this is the theme that I have for my website here. I love the Divi theme. I'm used to saying that is because I have this theme for many years, and so it does create all this beautiful images here. It does give you the professional look, and so I'm gonna be also leaving the link down below for Divi theme if you want to check out Divi or the Elegant Themes. Now let's get started with creating a form so you can add it to your website. So what you need to do first is go onto your GetResponse, and then you click onto this dots here. Now we're going to be using the forms, so we go click on forms and then we create form. Okay, so right over here is where you'll be able to select all these templates. If you scroll a little bit down here, you can go ahead and find all kinds of themes that you'd like to select. So if you go down a little bit more, there's a couple of options that you can choose from, and so I usually pick the forms that resonates to my website. So my website has this dark well, at the top page it's got this dark image. I mean, not really dark, but I just want to make sure that it does resonate with my theme onto my website. And so let's go over here and I'm gonna find a perfect sign up form for my website here. As you can see here, there's a lot of this templates that you can choose from, and so trying to look for something that's gonna stand out as well. So you can see here, and then as you can see here, I'm very picky. So you know, I just want to make sure that I select a good one that is actually the same as what I have currently. And so let me just refresh that one, and I'm going to show you what I'm trying to look for, the template for this one. So within 15 seconds now, that pop-up form is going to show up anytime soon. The reason why I selected 15 seconds, so there you go. It's probably less than that, but as you can see here, if anyone visits your website, then this pop-up form is going to show up. Then I added get my free exclusive training, so it's gonna make anyone get enticed with this offer. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna say yes, I want the free exclusive training. Then they'll be able to enter their first name here and their email here as well, and then they'll be able to get that training material as soon as they sign up from this sign up form. So that said, I'm still looking at that template because I want to make sure that I pick the ones that is similar to this. Let's see here. How come I can't find that? Okay, so it's right over here. I found it. So this is the template that I use. So let's use that. Feel free to select any template that you like. It's just that I want to make sure that I'm using the correct one so that you'll be able to follow along with this training. So right here is what I did. I double click on the text so I'll be able to edit how I wanna place here. And so it says here, get my free exclusive training. So I'm gonna type in get my free exclusive training. We can adjust that, so not to worry. And it looks like it's got, okay, I thought there were small boxes here. So this is how you make it small. As you can see here, that's how you can make the text small. Okay, let me do that again. So you pretty much have to double click on the text, so you'll be able to make adjustments and edits onto your text over here. As you can see, it feels like it's not enough room here, so I want to make it big then and make my font smaller. And so as you can see, I made it smaller and then put it into this gray box here. So I put that one in the corner, drag this here, so it's gonna look identical to what I have here. And then I may have extended the box just like that. Okay, and you drag the font, and then you also drag this one so you can put it onto this top corner on the right, and then drag this one on top here just like that. Then you can start moving this in the middle, so it's gonna look proportioned and it's gonna look nice. I don't need this, so you click on it and delete, because I don't need anyone to know where they live or where they located at. All I need is for them to sign up my email, to get their email, so I can capture their email and their first name, so they be able to get my free gift as well. So just like that. So as you can see, you can pretty much move it around if you want, make it look centered, make it look nice. And I believe I added my logo over here somewhere, but since I'm only showing you how it looks like, you probably won't have a logo right now, so let's stick to making it look like this. So I'm gonna make it smaller for now so that this form will look nice, just like that. So you can do it this way for now if you don't have a logo, but if you do have a logo, you can put it anywhere that you like onto this form. I actually put one over here, so as you can see here, so that they know that that pop-up form is coming from my website. So that's my reason to adding my logo here. And so let me make it look nice one more time. So now it looks nice. Now next would be, we're gonna be going to the layout. This is the important part, because you want to make sure that you're changing your form to a pop-up onto your website. And so now you go here in layout. Over here you have to change this one, the type, to pop-up or pop-over. Select pop-over. You don't have to play around on this part here, but you do want to select the delay on how long your pop-up form is going to show up onto your website. I would normally select 15 seconds. 20 seconds the better, because you want to be able to have your viewers onto your website a chance to read through your website and not just be surprised with your pop-up forms, so that it's not overwhelming for them. And so I would select let's do 20 seconds, so they'll have a feel around onto your website. And then for the purposes of this demo, I'm gonna select 10 seconds, so you'll see the pop-up soon. Now that you select, and then what would be next is you go to settings, and over here you want to make sure that you add a name here, so you can label this kind of form, so you can easily keep track of your sign up people who's signing up onto your freebies. So I would name this as sign up freebie, so you'll know that this is the form that you're going to be adding onto your website. Now down here, over to choose thank you page, you're going to have to change that to custom. Now here is, this is where you add your link to your freebie. So your freebie has to have a link where someone is going to be able to get access to the URL right away. And so let's copy. So this is one of the freebie that I want to give away, and so You want to make sure that you copy the link so that you can attach it onto your custom page, offer here. So I believe it doesn't look right. So okay, so custom, and then you add your URL over here. So okay, this sounds right. So you add the URL here, and once you've done that, then you can save this. So now that you finish saving it, so that's pretty much it. So it was quick and easy. Now you select publish after. Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna be copying this JavaScript code. So it's important that you double click on it or triple click on it, make sure that everything is highlighted, then you hit copy, because we're gonna be adding it onto our website. Now if you have a theme, this is what you're gonna be doing. So once you get access to your website, now you're on your WordPress, your front page of the WordPress. It's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna go visit your website just like this. And by the way, this is how I edit my website. It's called the Visual Builder from Divi theme. And so not really sure from other themes how they can edit their website in the Visual Builder. And so this is how the Divi Visual Builder looks like. And so I usually hit the enable Visual Builder so I can make edits onto my website. So you click on that, and it's gonna load soon. And so this is what I did before. Now I went to scroll down here so I can start adding an extra, let's see, delete that one. You want to make sure that you add a extra block, so something like this. So this is in Divi, this is how you want to add a section or a block. Any theme would call it something different, but you should find something that will let you add a section onto your website. So just like this, and I go to regular because I want it regular. I choose just the one block here because I'm only going to be adding that pop-up form. Now you're going to be looking for the Hotmail code that will let you add that code. So other themes, they're probably gonna say Hotmail code. Divi theme does call it code. So make sure that you enter that one. And this is where you place your code here. So you paste it here. So once you paste that code over here, then you hit save. So once you hit save, then you're gonna make sure that you save everything that you have to save onto your website. And then once that's done, then I'm gonna be showing you what it looks like once you add that sign up form onto your website. Now it's gonna take minutes for this one to show up. And so let's refresh that one. I'm gonna be showing you the pop-up form. Now it's gonna pop up within 10 seconds. So as you can see here, it's gonna pop up like this. Now this is great for anyone gonna go onto your website and be able to look around your website, and then this pop-up form will come up. It's gonna pretty much advertise your viewers. If they're interested in getting their free training, then they'll be able to enter their information here. And that's how you can capture their email, so that once you capture their email, then you're going to start sending them offers from any offers that you have. It could be in different niches. If you have affiliate links, then you'll be able to send them offers onto your GetResponse. And so that's pretty much it. That's how you can add your sign up form using GetResponse. Now again, I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my video. There is a 30-day free trial for GetResponse. I like GetResponse is because it's very easy to use, and I'm just used to creating my email marketing with GetResponse. And so I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on to my next video.